have a knack for unique gift ideas, and I have compiled awesome ideas for the snowboarder in your life, the gift that keeps giving. If I've done my job right, you'll walk away from this video with an excessive amount of gift ideas. Feel free to take full credit for them. I couldn't help myself, and I came up with a themed name for each of the ideas. The Achy Breaky Body. I gotta admit, I'm pretty proud of myself for this one. The Achy Breaky Body gift is kind of like a recovery gift basket. Include all different types of things that will aid in recovery. Massage gift card, massage gun. You could include BCAAs, a foam roller. You could include a foot massager. There's a back massager I gave my BFF for Christmas. And then there's also an eyeball massager, which sounds crazy, but I'm telling you, read the reviews on this thing. It comes highly recommended. So just saying, this gift is good for all skill levels. You can just add items in until you hit the budget that works for you. Achy Breaky Body. Okay, next we have You Warm My Heart. So in this, there are heated gloves, there are heated socks, there's a thermal phone case that can keep your phone warm on the mountain, and then there's even rechargeable hand warmers. We've all been there, it gets cold. Okay, this one is called the DEFROST, or Thaw Out Your Buns package. The idea behind this one is when they come back down the mountain, it's like a little gift basket of items for them to use. You could give them a mug, a warm cozy blanket. That's one that comes highly recommended from the internet. Some nice cozy socks, an awesome beanie, just like anything to help them cozy up and just kind of like relax and recover after they get back down. This next one is a little bit more of a serious gift. I call it the I'm ready to help you carry your baggage gift. What better way to tell someone that you're committed to them or take their friendship seriously than by offering to carry their baggage, or in this case, their snowboarding stuff. So much pride in these names. There's tons of different options that you can go with. Snowboarding backpacks. There's also a Burton rider's bag. So great for boots, helmet, all of that. A boot bag, something to carry their boots in and take their stuff to and from the car. Travel cases, even organizational systems that would kind of all fall within here. And I don't think you can go wrong with any of them. Stuff your stocking goodness. So these are just kind of random items that snowboarders use on the reg. Lip balm, hand warmers, fleece gaiters, liner gloves, trail mix, Starbucks gift cards, money, and you could even include a gift card to their favorite ski resort if you're looking to spend a little bit more. Once again, this gift is good for all skill levels. You can just add items in until you hit the budget that works for you. Next, we have the Hangry Person Survival Kit. What I like to refer to as the gift that keeps giving. The whole idea behind this is gifting them snacks and items that they can take up. All of those little items really add up, especially if they're going snowboarding multiple times throughout the season. If they like to do any type of tailgating, you could give them a tailgating grill that they can grill in the back of their truck or car. Beef jerky, protein drinks, protein bars, energy chews, any type of like snacky type items. I will include some of my favorites down below, and as you know, your girl likes to eat. So take my snacks very seriously. And I love this gift idea because depending on who you're giving it to, it could benefit you back in multiple ways, because you could be there to eat some of the items, but also not have to experience the hangriness that they would have if it wasn't for the snacks that you are providing them. Before we dive into the last gift idea, if this video has been helpful for you at all, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button down below and go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are you planning on giving to the snowboarder in your life this year? Okay, last but not least, what I like to refer to as the Overachiever Gift. It also could be called the I'm Your Rich Uncle Gift. So the items in this category really fall under the most expensive gift ideas on the whole list. Some of the obvious things as far as like you could gift someone a new snowboard, a new snowboarding coat, a GoPro is a great idea, a season pass to their favorite resort, or even just some lift passes or a gift card to get some food while they're there. No one would be complaining if you gave them these items. They would probably love you forever. Thank you so much for watching. I went ahead and picked out a video for you to watch here, and YouTube picked out a video for you to watch here, so go ahead and watch either one of these, and I'll see you soon in my next video.